What's up, YouTube? Good day to everybody. Welcome to GY6 Scooter Vlogs. Hope you guys enjoy this little ride I got for you. Let's get it. I got to use my hand signals right now, guys. If you look down right here, my blinker button, it broke. This one's not looking too shabby, but no worries. I ordered on Amazon, and got a replacement coming. I ain't doing the right signal, but I'm pushing my brake. It's hard to use my left arm right now. Yeah, I thought delivery was going to be today. It's tomorrow. If I didn't have to come out right now to go to the pharmacy, I would have just stood home. But that's why I'm coming out in the cuts, staying away from the busy traffic. Let's talk about hand signals, guys. What's the legal hand signals and what is not the appropriate hand signals, but a lot of people do it anyhow. So basically, when you come to a stop, like I'm doing now, and if you ain't got no brake light working, what you want to do with your left hand is put it downward like that. That means you're coming to a stop. All right. And so if you're taking a right turn, it's like you're showing your bicep. It's like you're doing this. Just hold your hand up like this. And if you want to turn left, you hit the left arm straight out. I don't want to confuse the driver. All right, there ain't no cars behind me now. But yeah, so it's the left hand straight out. There's other hand signals, man, to notify there's a cop, tapping on the top of your head, going in a circle motion like that. But circle motion can also mean I'm flipping around, you know. So yeah, the main ones I need to do right now is the turn right signal and the turn left signal. I got brake lights, but just as you can see, as I mentioned, no blinkers. I think I'll go ahead and do the install on video for you guys. Anybody that's dealing with their blinker switches, their kill switch breaking off, I'll show you guys how it's done. It's real simple. All you need is like a flathead screwdriver. It's rush hour right now. Everybody's getting off work. Oh crap. Somebody didn't like me getting in their way. Is this my road? It sure is. That lady must have not known her hand signal. She's saying, what's that guy showing off his muscles for? That's where you got to be careful, man. Not a lot of people know these hand signals. They're used to, like, they're probably waiting for me to put up my right hand instead. But if you run across a cop, he's going to be like, man, that ain't no appropriate legal hand signal. So I just get used to the legal ones for right now. Alright, I think it's okay to get off of the hand signal page. I mean the subject. Beautiful ride right now. I'm enjoying it. Hope you guys are enjoying it as well. I stepped outside my door. I almost decided not to bring my jacket because it feels warm. But something told me to bring it, so yeah, it got a little colder right now. I'd be freezing if I didn't wear no jacket. Nothing like how it is in the early morning rides though. Right past this green light that's approaching, coming up, is the CVS pharmacy. So yeah, it's about 2 miles. We got a 2-mile journey going and a 2-mile journey going back, so a round trip 4 miles. A little something for you guys today. Family enjoying some taco truck right here. I knew I smelled some good food somewhere. Come on, light. There is a car behind me. A couple of them. There we go. Alright, I just parked right here. I was going to turn off the kill switch. How many of you guys do that actually? Until this thing broke off, until my blinkers broke off yesterday, I was like, okay, this one's not looking too shabby at all. I'm not going to go ahead and risk that one. Watch it fall off right now. Then I'm going to try to learn how to kick it back over. But as you guys can see, it's not something that maybe you could get it with the screwdriver, but I'm not going to be driving with no screwdriver hitting my blinker switches like that. I think I'll get by just fine with my hand signals right now for another day. Got 24 more hours to go. What the heck's going on there? There we go. Should take my scooter and wash it. It's looking a little dirty to me. Alright guys, I'll see you in just a quick second. Alright guys, welcome back. Let's go ahead and run this back. Run it back the same way, or should we switch it up? Switch it up, alright. We'll go back a different route. You guys probably thinking, man, you parked over there somewhere. Yeah, so what happened, I came out of the CVS with my prescriptions, and then I realized I needed to buy some coffee and some sweet low, and I didn't want to park way over there, so I came right here and parked and went in there and did my business with Save Mart right here. Now we are done. Let's get up out of here. It's a beautiful evening, man. Can't wait to get on the scooter. I realize I'm sweating. When I come to a stop and walking around, I'm dressed a little bit, I'm overdressed for the occasion. But on the scooter, it does me right. Alrighty, let's get up out of here. I would like to turn right here, man, but that road is just too roughed up for my scooter. It's not a good ride at all. All you hear is your fairings falling apart. You're right on a bumpy ass road like that. It sounds like your scooter's falling apart. You hear all this. Like, I got a lot of tools with me. When I go out on rides, I carry my little emergency kit, so that rattles around everywhere. Definitely can't wait till I get this that fixed, but I want to go ahead and install all of them. Somebody recognized me, or somebody was beeping, I don't know. I just thought I'd go ahead and raise up my hand. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do that right turn signal right now, guys. Show off my bicep right now to these here people. Okay, so we're going to go up with my hand like this here and just like, yeah, I'm buff. Yeah, that's how you do that. Our city hall right here. I always pass by and acknowledge those people. You know, you think about it, guys. Most of the time they feel like they don't exist. Nobody talks to them or nothing, and yeah, they conversate amongst each other. What I mean by that, other homeless people with other homeless people, I'm not trying to categorize it, but it is what it is. It's the truth. It's what I see out here. But whenever you pass by, like I pass by, every time I pass by right there, I always say hi to the group of guys I don't know, man. A lot of them wave back with a smile, and pretty much it makes me feel good, man. You know, be kind to one another, man. Show off my muscle again. Alright guys, this is the straightaway stretch. I'll be logging off here shortly. Hope you guys enjoyed the ride, man. I know I did. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit that thumbs up button, man. It don't cost nothing just to reach over and pow, hit that thing. It helps my videos get into the algorithm. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, man. We uploading every week now again. Everybody have a good day, alright? We'll see you guys here in another day or two. Alright, this is GY6 Scooter, Kev signing off. Peace out, everybody. Till the next one.